Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel project not deploying on Vercel in 2026. So if your deployment is stuck, failing, or not starting at all, this guide will help you fix it step by step without confusion. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to the project that is not deploying. Then check the deployment status and see if there is any error message shown in the logs. Next, click on the build logs and carefully read the error. Most deployment issues come from simple problems like missing files, wrong build commands, or broken dependencies. Now go to your code editor and fix any errors shown in the logs. Make sure all imports are correct and no files are missing. Next, open your terminal and reinstall dependencies. Sometimes node modules get corrupted, and a fresh install fixes the issue. Now check your build settings in Vercel. Make sure the framework preset, build command, and output directory are correctly configured for your project. Next, verify your environment variables. Missing or incorrect variables can stop the deployment completely. Now clear the build cache and try redeploying your project again. This often fixes hidden build conflicts. Also make sure your GitHub repository is properly connected and the correct branch is selected for deployment. Now wait for the deployment to complete and check the logs again if it fails. Finally, open your live URL and confirm if your site is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel project not deploying issues. Now your project should deploy smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.